OpenAI has launched a new program designed specifically to help small businesses make practical use of ChatGPT. And importantly, this is not simply another ChatGPT subscription. It is a support and training program created to help business owners save time, increase capacity, and turn ideas into finished work. Small business owners often have to be the marketer, accountant, salesperson, administrator, and strategist, all at once. OpenAI wants ChatGPT to help carry some of that workload. The program includes hands-on virtual training, with demonstrations, prompts, and practical workflows covering areas such as accounting, marketing, and e-commerce. There will also be in-person small business AI academies across the United States, where business owners can receive guided instruction and build AI workflows alongside other entrepreneurs. OpenAI is also releasing new guides, short videos, and interactive resources that can be uploaded directly into ChatGPT Work. These are designed to help businesses start using practical workflows within minutes. The program will feature plugins, skills, and special offers from partners including Shopify, Intuit, Dropbox, Slack, Atlassian, and Wix. At the center of the program is ChatGPT Work. It can connect to your files and business applications, remember how you work, and complete multi-step projects from beginning to end. For example, it could turn a voice note into a polished team update, monitor competitors and product trends, analyze customer reviews, suggest marketing campaigns, or create a staff training presentation. OpenAI says that during its previous small business AI jams, 78% of participants built a functioning AI workflow in one day, while 42% reported saving more than 5 hours each week. Small businesses can now register for program updates, virtual training, practical resources, and future events. This is about more than using AI to work faster. It is about giving small teams the tools and capacity to think bigger.